To hide apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open the settings on your device. Navigate to security and privacy, then scroll down to more security settings right here and select secure folder right here, sorry. So if you do it for the first time, it will require you to make a setup for it. I've made dedicated video explaining how to perform setup for a secure folder. If you're interested, you can find this video on this channel. Just type in how to set up secure folder. When we have our secure folder ready, we'll be able to open it. And then inside there's this plus button that allows you to add apps. For example, we can add the Netflix app. When we add it, this Netflix app is a different app than the Netflix app that we can find normally on our phone. So if you open this one right here through app drawer, it will be different Netflix than we open in our secure folder right here. So that's how you can hide apps. You can log into your different account, use different things, just depending on which app you're using, basically hide it. And if you're worried that somebody will just open secure folder and access your hidden app, then you can just click on the three dots each time you open it and then lock and exit it, which will then require a password that you use during a setup to unlock it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.